Hey guys, Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab. I'm in Tierra Verde today, south of St. Pete, Florida, and I'm working on this HD 2500 GMC. And well, let's just say the love bugs are quite ridiculous. This gentleman drove across the state one time and it left all this crap all over his truck. I am currently pressure washing it off. Look at the windshield. Oh God. So I just wanted to show you the before, because I'm currently in the middle of allowing it to dwell and pressure washing. I have pre-soaked with, well, I got this mirror almost clean, but I'm using the Rapid In and Out cleaner from rapidriderehab.com. This is gonna break down all of these bugs, make them a lot easier to remove from the vehicle. Just literally spray it on, let it dwell for about 30 to 45 seconds. Don't let it dry on the paint. Shouldn't cause any damage or anything. It's not good to let these things dry. But once you got them pre-soaked, let it dwell. Then start blasting it with the pressure washer. So that's where I'm at, and that's where we're going. So we'll get this finished up and then start this detail. We're gonna do, I haven't decided on a 1 or 2 step polishing process yet. I'll do a test spot and we'll figure it out. And then it's getting the wonderful CRHPP1150 ceramic acrylics resin hydrating protective paste. Ceramic 3-year ceramic coating, super strong, works great, looks amazing. So I'll bring you back when I got more to show. All right, we have completed this beast. Probably remember how riddled with bugs it was. Those love bugs are a disaster, but it looks awesome now. He definitely has some etching that is not going away. Unfortunately, it is permanent damage. Only way to fix these love bug marks is to repaint, unfortunately. You can see all of them here. There's literally nothing you could do. And if you notice, I don't know, I can't zoom, but right on the top, there's a ton of damage up there in front of those lights. And up the pillars, on the mirror back. I did 2 steps with Rapid 1 step. I did basically was two different section passes with the same polish and different pads. So I went more aggressive with the Manzurna red pad on my 15mm throw DeWalt DA, and then I used Buff and Shine's orange pad, which is a little bit softer, better finishing for the second pass. So I got 2 steps of correction essentially, and CRHPP1150 all day. But she looks great. Wheels and tires are done. That is the Rapid dressing, diluted 50/50. I sprayed it on because of the knobbiness of the tires, and then I went back and wiped it with a microfiber applicator. But that's it. She's done. Bugs are gone. Looks great. She's polished and protected. If you need any detailing, auto body and paint, metal fabrication, fiberglass work, any of those things, plus, well, anything else custom, give me a call, 813-846-4406. Check out rapidriderehab.com. And if you got any questions, let me know. That has been I believe this is a 26. Let's see. It looks like it's a 10 of 25, so it is definitely a 26 model. 2026 GMC AT4X HD. It's got a Duramax diesel in it with an Allison transmission, and she is a beauty. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.